Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss a small C++ program, how to write the program on the computer, how to compile and run the program. These things we will discuss in the today's class. So my name is Devashish Padi. Welcome to my class. So let us start how to write a simple C++ program on your computer. So before starting my C++ program, you need to learn how to write, compile and run the first C++ program. To write the C++ program, open the C++ console and write the code. C++ console means any C++ editor, and you know the most popular editor is your Turbo C++. Okay, that you are familiar while writing the C program. Okay, whenever you are writing your C program in your first year, you see you are writing the program on the Turbo C editor. The same Turbo C++ editor is generally used to write the C++ programs. Okay, so first open that editor, then write the following code like this: s include iostream.h, s include onio.h, void main, curly braces, clr scr semicolon, cout, welcome to C++ programming, get ch curly braces end. From this program you know so many things, you already know so many things, but the new thing is here, instead of writing stdio.h, I am writing here iostream.h. Why I am using stdio.h header file in C program? Sir, because whenever I want to print something on the monitor, and if I want to take some value from the keyboard, I am using printf and scanf function in C programming. So printf and scanf function is generally present in stdio.h header file. So whenever I am using printf and scanf statement in my C program, I must include stdio.h header file. Similarly, in C++ programming, whenever I take some value from the keyboard, I need the help of cin object, and whenever I want to print something on the screen, I need the help of cout statement. This is cout statement, and both cin and cout object are present in iostream.class. So whenever I am using cin and cout object in my class, I must include this header file as iostream.h, input output stream. Okay, for input and output purpose, I am using the header file as iostream.h. And why I am using conio.h? This is familiar with C programming. Conio means console input output. Okay, conio means console input output. Why I am using this header file? Now whenever I want to use clr scr library function and get ch library function, these two library functions are present in conio.h header file. So whenever I am using these two functions in my program, I must include conio.h at the top of the program. Okay, for clr scr and get ch library function, I am using conio.h. For cout, I am using iostream.h. Okay, so what is the meaning of clr scr? Clear the screen. So whenever you see the output on your screen, the screen must be cleared. Okay, and get ch means without pressing alt plus F5, you see the output. Okay, What is the purpose of cout? Cout is generally used for printing the message on the screen. Okay, so in the screen, welcome to C++ programming will be printed. Whenever you are compiling and running the C++ program, you see on the monitor, this is the output, welcome to C++ program. So always remember, whenever you want something, some text message to print on the screen, you take the help of cout. Okay, like printf in C programming, you are using cout in C++, and this operator is known as my insertion operator. So cout insertion operator, inside double quote, whatever you are writing, same thing will be printed on the monitor. Okay. Then hash include iostream.h includes the standard input output library functions. Okay. It provides what are the different library functions: cin and cout methods for reading from input, cin for generally used for taking input from the keyboard, and cout means printing some output on the monitor. Okay, cin for input purpose, cout for output purpose, like your scanf and printf statement in your C program. In C programming, scanf is generally used for taking input from the keyboard, input purpose. Printf is generally used for printing some value on the monitor, output purpose. Similarly, in C++, cin is generally used for taking some value from the keyboard, that is for input purpose, and cout is generally used for printing some value on the monitor, that is for output purpose. Okay. So hash include conio.h includes the console input output library function. The getch function is defined in conio.h. Okay. CLRSCR getch function, these are generally used in conio.h. Then what is the working of void main? You know, main function is the entry point of every C and C++ program. What is the meaning of a void? The meaning of void is main function does not return anything to the operating system. You know, if a function does not return any value, then returning type should be void. Since main is also a function and main function does not return anything, so that the returning type of main function is void. Then what is the meaning of cout? Welcome to C++ programming. It is generally used to print the data welcome to C++ programming on the console. So whenever you want to print, then you are using cout. And what is getch? The getch function asks for a single character. Until you press any key, it blocks the script. Okay. So in this way you can write the program in Turbo C++ screen. Okay. After writing the program, there are two ways to compile and run the C++ program: by menu and by shortcut. You have already done on your C programming how to compile and run the C programming. Similar way for compiling and running the C++ program. So how to compile? By menu option. Click on compile menu, then compile submenu to compile the C++ program. Then click on the run menu to run the submenu to the C++ program. See here, one compile option is there. Okay. So whenever you click on this compile, one submenu is there, that is known as compile. You click on that button, then your program is compiled. And in run menu, whenever you click on run, there is one submenu that is called run. Whenever you click on that run button, your program will be executed successfully. Okay. But how to compile and run the program? By the help of keyboard shortcut. Now always press Ctrl plus F9 for compilation and running of your program directly. Okay. There are two buttons are there: Alt plus F9 compile, Ctrl plus F9 run. But whenever you are pressing Ctrl plus F9, compilation and running process will be successfully completed. Okay. After successful completion of your execution process, your able to see this message on your screen. Welcome to C++ program. Okay. You can view the user screen anytime by pressing the Alt plus F5 key. Okay, what is the work of Alt plus F5? Now, whenever you press Alt plus F5, you see this screen anytime. Okay. And press the escape button to return to the Turbo C++ console. Okay, after seeing this screen, press the enter key or press the escape. Okay, so Alt plus F9 for compilation, Control plus F9 for run, or you can press Control plus F9 at a time for compilation and running your program, and press Alt plus F5 anytime to see the user screen. Okay, so this is all about how to compile and run the C++ program. Thank you.